How to appeal a disabled Gmail account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to appeal a disabled Gmail account. If you're redirected to this page, your entire Google account has been disabled. First, sign in to your Google account on a browser like Chrome. If your account is disabled, you will get an explanation. When you try to sign in, you will get an error message or be sent to this page. In some cases, you will get an email or text message from Google to tell you that your account is disabled. If you own the account, you can request access to it again. Now sign in to your Google account on a browser like Chrome. Select Start Appeal and follow the instructions. If your appeal isn't approved, your entire Google account will remain unavailable. If no further action is taken, your account will be permanently disabled and considered for deletion. If you live in the EU or are an EU citizen, there may be additional resolution options available to you. If you can't get into your account, you may be able to download and save account data from some Google services. To try downloading your data, sign into your account as you normally do. Then, you may have the option to download your data. Accounts may be disabled without the ability to download data for certain violations, including but not limited to valid legal requests, account hijacking, and content violations. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.